Hi, my name's Dan. When inserting images in a Word document, it's always good to use figure captioning as well. It gives your document a more professional image. So today I'm going to show you how to create figure captions for a Microsoft Word document. I have an example documents file. As you can see, I have two images laid out looking like a brochure. The first thing you do is select your image, and under your Insert tab, scroll down to where you see Caption. As you see, it pulls up and it defaults to Figure 1, which you can put in whatever number you're working on, and select OK. We do this for our second image, and it defaults to the next number, and select OK as well. Another option is you can change the position to place it above the selected item, or you can select the auto caption feature. Under the auto caption feature, you can select anytime you enter a new object into the document, it will automatically create the caption for you. My name's Dan, and today I showed you how to create a figure caption with a Microsoft Word document.